Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CORV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance and see how this one, if it can kind of build upon the movement that's occurred today. Now, the main level of support, and I don't want to call it a do or die level. That might be a little too dramatic. But yeah, a very important level going forward, in my mind at least, is right here at 208. Why is 208 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 208, and then when the price gets down there, just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price came down here, however, in this situation, behave like that before it's starting to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that progress point, quote-unquote, being right there at 208. What about levels of resistance moving into Friday? Key level of resistance to keep an eye on, just going to be where the party stopped essentially today, finding the middle ground up there at $2.28. If the price can push up through 228, next key overarching level of resistance at that point would be up there around the top portion of that channel, which sits at $2.40. So all in all, though, great volume today, great price movement. Not just a question of can the price start to build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.